Hi guys, welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me, Nambi. It's been ages since I posted videos and it's been quite a while since I am standing in front of a camera and I'm a little bit conscious today. I've been sitting all week watching news of death and destruction and it's been really terrifying. I've been scaring myself to death. These are such trying and difficult times. By now I know at least 4 to 5 people who've lost their loved ones due to COVID, and it's really sad that we are having to go through this. And instead of scaring myself, I just thought I needed a bit of normalcy back in my life, and so I decided to restart these videos, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a very simple recipe that was passed on to me by a Bhutanese friend of mine, and this was something that we would quickly whip up, especially because we never liked our hostel sambar. It used to be terrible. Original sambar is really very tasty, but the ones that we got in the hostel was really bad. So anyways, this is a Datsi, a potato Datsi that was something that we always whipped up when we were in hostel. I hope you guys enjoy it.
The ingredients required to make this dish are 1 small block of cheese, about 100 grams or more, 2 medium-sized potatoes, 2 small onions, 1 small tomato, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, chilies as per preference, salt to taste, and oil as required. So firstly, you need to skin and slice the potatoes in thin slices. Peel onions and slice them. Cut tomatoes in thin slices. Finely chop the garlic cloves as well. In a pan, pour some water and drop in the sliced potatoes, onions, tomatoes and garlic pods. Add some oil to the pan, stir and allow it to simmer. Cover it with a lid and let it boil for about 10 minutes or till the potatoes are soft. Add slit green chilies to the pan and immediately add small bites of cheese. You can even choose to add grated cheese so that it melts and dissolves faster. Once the cheese has dissolved, give it a good stir to mix well. You can choose to add more water if you don't like it very thick. And voila, your dish is ready.
Thank you so much for watching Eat Your Kappa. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, and I promise to make more videos regularly. And for your information, I have quit my job, left everything in Chennai, and I have come and settled here to be a full-time farmer. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.